Good morning, students. Yesterday, I taught you major water bodies and landforms of Ahmednagar district. Today, I am going to explain you page 56 of your textbook. Try this. Take 3 bottles of the same shape. Fill one bottle to the brim with water. Imagine that you are the only one using all this water. This means you can use all the water in the bottle. This is shown in first picture that the boy is drinking the full water bottle. In the second picture, you can see one bottle is shared by 2 boys. Now, fill in the second bottle with water. Imagine that another student from your class will also use this bottle with you. Divide the water equally into 2 parts. Now, see how much water you get. Is this water less or more than the amount you had the first time? My dear students, the amount of water that you had first time was more, because here you had to share with the other boy. Understood? Now, for example, my dear students, you were the first child of your house. Father and mother, they give you the best of best things, right? Now, after 1 year, one more member person comes in your family. That is, you get a brother. Okay. Now, when mommy or daddy brings you anything, it is shared. Take for example, an apple. When you were alone, you used to eat the whole apple. Now, you have a brother with you. So, you have to share the apple. So, you will get half and he will get half. But when you were alone, you got more. And now you have to share. So in this picture, this water is shared to the other boy. So he gets less water to drink. In the third picture, you can see 5 of them sharing the water from one bottle. Now, fill in the third bottle. Imagine that 4 other children in the class beside you will use this water. Now, you will have to divide the water in the bottle into 5 equal parts. Now, see how much your share of the water is. Is the amount of water you have this time less or more than the first 2 times? My dear students, you have less than the first 2 times, because here you have to share among 4. Including you are 5. Think about why this happens. Children, this happens because children are more and there is less water. So, we must use water carefully. Now, what's the solution? Rahul and Saguna drink water after playing. They wash their hands and feet. They bathe every morning. and wash their plates after eating. However, they use too much water while doing these things. Their mother scolds them. They wonder how they should use water carefully. What good ideas can you give them for using water carefully? Now you write few points on this question. I will tell you my ideas tomorrow. This is enough for today. Thank you, my dear students, and God bless you. Read this page 56 of your textbook. Thank you.